Well, still on the MTN Awards story, MTN Swaziland has announced a sponsorship of 474,000 emalangeni for the inaugural MTN Swama Awards. The announcement was made by MTN Swaziland CEO Ambrose Dlamini.
MTN Swaziland continues to support different sectors of society in the country, and the latest addition in their sponsorships is the MTN Swama Awards. According to Swazi MTN CEO Ambrose Dlamini, the company is passionate about a lot of initiatives, which is demonstrated through financial support to different projects in education, health, enterprise development, and other key national priorities, which is made through the MTN Foundation, the company's corporate social responsibility wing. Dlamini says one of the areas they have historically supported is the country's arts and culture, where they sponsor the MTN Bushfire and now the MTN Swama Awards, amongst others. He thanked His Majesty's government for creating an environment where music and arts would thrive.
Today, Swazi MTN publicly announces support to MTN Music Awards. The objective of the awards is to pay tribute to artists who have played a pivotal role in the revolution of the music industry in Swaziland from independence to date. This project, we've been appraised, seeks to legitimize, economize, and bring sustainable to the recording industry of Swaziland. We will see the amount of the sponsorship is 474,000 emalangeni.
The Minister of Sports, Culture and Youth Affairs, David Ngampalala, thanked the Prime Minister for always supporting arts and culture as well as local musicians. And he also thanked MTN for the huge sponsorship. Other speakers, who included SOMA President and a representative of artists, thanked MTN for the historic sponsorship of the awards, which they said will encourage musicians in the country. The MTN Swama Awards has 19 categories, 17 of which will be voted for by members of the public. The public will start with the nominations of artists that will contest the different categories before voting for the winners. The awards will be held in September this year. Sibusiso Ngubane reporting for Swazi TV News, Zuluini.